How to change payment method in Progressive Insurance. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can change your payment method in Progressive Insurance. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So to begin with, first thing first, log in into your Progressive account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page or the dashboard page, and in the left hand side bar you'll be able to see an option as account. Click on it. After you click on account, you'll be directed to the my account page or your profile page, and on this interface you'll be able to see all of the information regarding your Progressive account. So under my account in the right hand side bar, there are multiple options, so you'll need to head over to the section that is payment. Under payment option, there is manage payment method. Click on it in order to change the payment method. Once you click on the payment method, the summary section will tell you if you have a payment due. If you have any, then you'll need to clear it all. If you have linked a multiple bank account, credit card or debit card to your Progressive Insurance, then you'll be able to see the interface something like this. If you want to remove the particular bank account, credit card or debit card, click on it, and next interface will be taken to the info page, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see a bin icon. Click on it. After that, you've successfully removed your bank account. Once you've done that, head back to the same page that is the payment method right over here and click on add credit card or add bank account if you want to add either one of these options. Enter in the information that includes entering account number, name on the account or the CVV number, and so on. Once you're done entering your bank account, debit card or credit card to your Progressive Insurance, click on the save button, and you've successfully changed as well as added a new payment method in your Progressive Insurance. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.